Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about increasing the pointer speed sensitivity on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down on this list until you locate the option that says System. So go ahead and select the System tile. And then you want to go underneath Keyboard, select that. And at the bottom of the Tools list, it should say Pointer Speed. Select that. If you want to make it slower, drag this little circle to the left. Conversely, if you want to make it faster, drag it to the right. And then once you have it set as you wish, select OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.